So yeah, hello everybody, welcome on this channel, and I am literally excited to start the session right now. And now I am preparing my day for 1 October, and you already know that almost September is finishing, not just almost September is finishing. And what we did it is, if I talk about myself, so what I did it is just exploring what stuff I need to do. But the reality is that we are exploring from past 1 years. I am exploring from past 1 years, like which stack I want to do, what I want to do, from where I need to start, which resource should I need to follow, XYZ, everything. What I did is just exploration. And what we need to do is from October, November, December, only the 3 months are left to make something meaningful. So yeah, it's time to start the session. And by the way, I have many things to do. Like I just made the proper slot, which, by the way, lot of interrupting background voice. Maybe you going to ignore it, because you know what, we can't able to say, because we are living in a. Now it's topic goes to back to the topic. So what I want to tell you, like what we left. Okay, wait, let me set first of all my background right now. So yeah, let's back to the topic. What I want to tell you, we having the right, what we having the October, November, December, 3 months in our hand. And I know that at the ending of the December there is a lot of opportunities are going to open. But the problem is that we know there are the thousands of the opportunities are going to have open, but something is literally missing. You know what is that? We are not prepared for it. And I know that you already know that 19 days 90 days is enough to preparing for anything. Let me make a one chart, so it will also help you to get understand the topic. Just okay, wait. By the way, how many of you are the bachelor students? Please let me know in the comment section. If any of you are the bachelor students, so please let me know in the comment section. And wait. Okay, wait, I am back. Just let me close the window, because due to the festival there is a lot of background noise. Maybe you can also able to understand that our environment is worse. If I talk about, okay, 7th semester, 4th year, a last year student. Okay, see, currently I'm in a second year, and you know what, if you are in fourth year, so I'll just only give you the suggestion that to find any proper internship and apply for it. This is only the solution I have to find the internship. There are many platforms available for the internship like Internshala, and one more platform which is recommended by my class teacher, but currently I can't able to click the name. And one more thing, Google Career, and second is that class door something, Google Career, and then uh, Google Career, then Internshala, and the one of the best and most believing platform and most professional platform is LinkedIn, and nothing else. LinkedIn is the best. If you have a good connection, so you're definitely going to get a good amount of the opportunity, but everything is depend on your connection ratio over there. Okay, placement sessions started, but I'm not, yeah, because of maybe they also like they selecting the student based on the CGPA, right? If you are talking about the campus, so I know the scenario is that they will select the student based on the CGPA. If I talk about the on campus, and off campus, there are the many opportunities are available, but you in this scenario, I know that you don't have to carry the bag. I'm talking about the exam syllabus, because they having the some kind of eligibility for before applying. Many of the companies come in my campus but rejected. See, what exactly the meaning of rejection is to learn something. If you are not getting anything, so this is your fault. First of all, understand what is the reason that you got rejected due to the grades. It's the different scenario. Okay, my CGPA, okay, my is 7.46 first year. Okay, and second year, just my second year, just like our UT examination started. UT means unit test just started, and I am a kind of average student, because I personally don't focus on the college academic. 7.1, it's the safe. I just thought, the only thing I kept in my mind is to stay on safe score. That's so, yeah. From you must need to learn from the every rejection, just and try to understand that which companies are what is the reason that you got rejected. Maybe your resume is not well structured, or maybe you having the good stack, but you can't able to make the communication. That's why they can't able to understand your, maybe sometimes the main problem is that the communication issue, which we don't have the proper. So what I will recommend you to learn from your mistakes, from your past interviews, and then try to improve that. Okay, if you are not improving yourself, so you just going to face the rejection, nothing else. Try to increase in it to the 8 plus entire 3. Yeah, exactly, you given a correct idea. See, exactly, you given the correct idea. If we belongs to, okay, yeah, I'm back. Just I went to close the window panel. Okay, now uh, okay, try to increase into the 8 plus in a tier 3. Exactly, you are correct, but you know what, increasing your CGPA, that means you need to focus on the academic, which I don't want to do. I don't want to sell my soul for the lower than tier 3 college. This is my thinking. I don't want to waste my time for the degrees. I know that we are living in a 2025 where if I focus on my skills, so I have the ability to make it. So I don't want to depend on the college. I'm not that kind of the kid, so that's why I don't care about the CGPA, because I don't want to apply as a on campus. There are the thousands of the opportunities are available off campus, and I'm thinking that I want to make myself eligible, whether I talk about the communication, whether I talk about whether I talk about whether I talk about the communications and the skills purpose. I have my brother sisters, my elder brother sister, they all are working in the top companies as per their skills. They having the more than 5 years of the experience, and what they recommend me is to focus on the skills right now, because in this scenario, if you are belongs to the average level of the skills, if you are having the average level of the skills, so you definitely going to replaced by anything, any tools. So we need to do the hard work while using the skills. This is literally important. 7 plus is safe in the IITs. See, if you're talking about the IITs, which is the top colleges, they having the support, they having the good connection, they having a good faculties. Everything is depend on their college. They don't need to find out for they don't need to run for the extra resource. And if we belongs to the tier 3 and lower than tier 3 college, so we we need to depend on the ourselves, and we need to do our own study. And also we need to find the many ways, we need to find the different types of the people who can help us to get the job. And also, if we belongs to the tier 3 college, so our skill scenario is really very less. This is what I believe. So instead of reaching out and wasting our time with our college stupid seniors, it will be a much better if we our increase our boundary. Okay, for tier 3 it is a 9 plus, but you can try to get 8 plus and build skill. See, if I try to make the 9 plus CGPA, so I am going to die in college and I'm not going to get anything. I know that. So 9 plus, you know what are you thinking? What about the 9 plus is to behave like a teacher pet. And I nobody have a time that much to spend your entire day in the college and then spend your 2 hours in the traveling, then reach home. Are you still believe that you having the ability to do any extra work after completing the 2 hours of the traveling? Are you sure that you have the ability to now reaching at home focus on the skills? This is completely easy, stupid. I'm a human being, not a robot. Our class teachers think us like we are robot. Okay, just complete your academics assignment and then reach the home and then focus on your skills. What the fish? It's totally stupid. Yeah, yeah, you are right. But let me tell you one thing. Their teachers, their classmates, everyone's are advanced. If you belongs to tier 3 colleges, so your classmates having the different mindset. They having a different path, so you can't able to follow them. Or maybe you're not going to feel inspired by your senior. So I'm not talking about the IITs. They having the different thing. They having a support. If you think that they don't, so they have the support. And that's why the background support is matter. They having the smart class teachers, having the good faculties, and even their seniors are working on the startups. And if I talk about lower than tier 3 college, then the story is different. Okay, let it be. I thought to mute myself, but let me talk about this topic. I literally serious that as you told, see, you are far away from the realities of IIT. Let it be. That is different scenario. I don't care about the IITs. I don't care about any college. I only believe that we are living in a 2025 and all the same resource, same amount of time are available with us as well. Now it depends on us whether we want to use it or just ignore it. So what I believe that all the resource, every opportunities are available and open for everyone. But what exactly happening, though whatever the opportunities are available, first the IIT students, top tier college students are getting the notify about that as compared to ours. Because what is the reason behind that we belongs to, that's what I am saying. Wait, that's what I am saying. See, I don't know anything. I also don't want to know the reality. I just want to save my time, focus on myself. I just want to build myself at the same time, and just I want to show that the student from the lower college student doesn't matter if they have the ability to stand out in the social media or anywhere, they can able to make it. Just I only want to show that. That's it. I don't care about whether you belongs from anywhere. If you belongs even if you belongs from the third world country, just believe that opportunities is same available for everyone, so everyone is online using the stuff, using the cell phone, having the same amount of 24 hours. Now it's depend on us whether we want to waste it or to use it. So this is what I believe. And the only things that I can able to tell you, whether we belongs from any college, if you saving your time and giving your best and learning the new skills, always connecting with the good people, so you definitely going to make it. Yeah, exactly. No need to show. College doesn't matter if you have a skills. Exactly, this is what I'm talking about. We are think that, oh my god, I got an admission in a low tier 3 college, now I don't have a life. This is totally bullshit thinking. You have the opportunity, you have everything. Just don't compress yourself, just try to expand your boundary, which the reason why we losing ourselves if we belongs to the lower than tier 3 college, because we never connect with the good peoples. There are many peoples are available. Try to reach out at least 100, and from the 100, I swear from 2 to 10 to 20 peoples are going to give you reply, and from 10 to 20, 5 to 6 peoples are definitely going to give you some idea how to stand out. Okay, there is the question. You are in college. Okay, yeah, currently, yeah, I'm in a college. I'm a bachelor student. Currently, I'm in a second year. By the way, I'm literally sorry. This background voice is literally interrupting me a lot, and I think that it's also disturbing you, right? Am I audible properly? So yeah, as you question asked it that, yeah, I'm a bachelor student and currently I'm in a second year. You gave JE? No, I just prepared for the state level examination. JE is the national level, right? JE is for all India examination. I only prepared myself for the national level examination. MSTCT. Just I given that because I am sure that I belongs to the. Completed my education as from Maharashtra board. So why should I waste my time for JE, right? So that's why I didn't given the JE and all. Okay, there's the question, what are you doing means development AI Web 3 what? So yeah, currently I am doing the UI UX. In January, upcoming January, I want to work as a UI UX designer. So that's why, okay, am I audible right properly? I'm audible, you're working really hard. Okay. See, let's back to the topic. So yeah, currently I want to learn the UI UX designing because I love the designing. There is my Instagram. You can able to check my sketching work. I love to give the colors and the structure. That's why I decided to UI UX as a learning UI UX is the best way because there is less amount of coding and more amount of your ideas. So I thought to wasting my time. I am doing the DSA at the same time, but I want to learn the UI UX to get a internship as soon as possible. What build your LinkedIn? Build your LinkedIn means are you talking? Are you telling me to make my LinkedIn ID? I'm already on LinkedIn. So if you're talking about my LinkedIn ID, so my name is already visible on the screen, right? So I'm already on LinkedIn. Okay, what's it's not build your Okay, there is the comment. Oh, wait, let me read. I think that UI UX is the risky career path as they are the most vulnerable to getting replaced by the AI. You see, a UI UX job is already replaced by AI. But the reason I want to learn is I love the giving the designing, you know. And one more thing that I want to tell you that we can able to design the UI UX using the AI. Just idea is our and implemented by someone else. But in this scenario, we need to give our idea, you know. By the way, now I thought this festival song let me use as a background. Literally, I'm not feeling as a shame because you already know that like this is the festival and they playing the song very loudly. So let's use this in a very profitable way. Use this uh, festival what which festival, like a Garba festival song as a background song. So now I'm not going to mute myself, and if you have any questions you can able to ask me, and if I read then I will definitely going to reply you on the spot. So now, for now, it doesn't matter whether any of you are going to laugh at me, but I am going to use this song as a background song now because I don't have a time. I on my live session right now, and on at this time they also like they celebrating the festival. So this is not my fault. This is not also their fault. This is the fault of the time. And you know what, during the daytime I didn't got a time to start the session because at that time I was in a college. So that's why I didn't got a time to start the live session. But for now, if you have any questions you can able to ask me. I'm definitely going to reply you. And you know what, the reason I am doing the UI UX, there are the thousands of the AI tools are available who can able to help you to implement. Let me tell you, today I didn't while sitting in the college in the proxy lecture, I didn't the whole study which tools are going to help me for what purpose. And you know what, there are many AI tools. You just have to play this game and you can able to learn what exactly the meaning of UI and UX is. So yeah, literally you are correct at this time that UI UX is the risky path. I know that you are correct in this point of view. So there are many ways to complete, and we can able to, this is the game, just we have to play it. And this is the name of the website that, wait, let me search it on the Google. So it's directly going so just we need to play this game and we can understand how we need to use the UX. And this is the AI which help you to learn which color you have to choose, like color implementation, or the, I can say that which color will be the best option. And this is for the spacing the letter. So the website called the type.method.act. So there are, exactly, you are correct, there are many tools. So just use the AI in a updated way instead of wasting the time learning the every process as the old way. And it's definitely going to replace me and going to crash my career just within a minute. But I know that we can able to use the AI as a friend, you know. Just AI will be help me to AI can able to give me, I can able to give the ideas, what changes I require, I can able to give that, and then AI will be help me to design it. And the work which is taking the 3 hours to complete, with the help of using the AI tools, I can able to complete it within a 30 minutes. So this is what called the way if you don't want to get replaced. So yeah, learning anything is amazing, but we should need to keep ourselves aware that if this work is done by the AI, so why should I do? Let me learn that AI tools, how I can use that, how I can able to complete my work with the help of the AI within a second. So at the same time it will be make me smart, and the second thing that it also save my time, you know. So as compared to the another students, you will be the best at the position and you will complete your work in more faster way as compared to other. So yeah, UI UX, as you told, yeah, it's risky, but you know what? Have you ever seen the government website page? Required the lot of implementation. They need the worker. So there are the many opportunities are available where still we can apply it. So as a student, if I want to do the internship, so I think that the AI UX designer role as an intern, as if I have a good project and if I have a good project in my resume, so I can able to work as a UI UX designer for now, just for if I want to do the internship as a beginner level purpose. So that's why I'm doing the UI UX right now. By the way, many of you are new in this live session, so please don't forget to show your little support on this channel. I don't know whether, yeah, maybe this channel will be definitely going to be useful for in the future, and I would just want to share my journey with you guys. So please just show your little bit support and uh, help me to reach the 1K subscriber. And I don't know, just if you like my content and anything, just please show me the support. It's making motivating me a lot whenever I see that, yeah, exactly, I'm doing, because representing myself on the social media and making the direct conversation with all of you, it's literally very difficult for me. But recording myself and making the videos are okay. Wait, there is a comment. The reason government websites have a painful painful bad UI is because they are lazy, not because they have not hired the not hired the a good UI engineer. Okay, yeah, yeah, exactly. I can able to understand you, and you are correct as per your point of view. But just I'm telling you that uh, AI UI UX job is replaceable. But if you are using the AI tools and completing your work in a in a less time as compared to the another, so you can able to make it this. So yeah, hey there, am I audible, right? Okay, I think that I'm audible properly. Let me once check it, whether I'm audible or not. So just currently I'm doing the UI UX, which is already visible to all of you, right? And okay, yeah, for now, just I am doing. Let me show you. Yeah. So yes, I came to know about the UI UX when maybe on 26th September, yes. No, 29th September, just I came to know about the UI UX opportunity, and I was feeling like that I want to go the deep what exactly the meaning is that. And then I came to know that UI UX is just all about the tools, and if you want to get the advanced, so you can able to learn the as per your choice, you can able to learn the HTML, CSS and React. And I thought maybe that I can able to build something with the help of the tools. It sounds really crazy, you know. You are learning the codes. This is the good way and the hardest way as well. But if I want some quick result, and if I want to do the internship based on the designing and all, so I think that in the tech field, if I talk about the designing, so UI UX is the best option. By the way, in the comment section, I have seen that the many of the peoples are telling that right now the UI UX job is in the danger because the AI are implementing the designs. So yeah, as per your point of view, you are definitely correct that as you are telling that we can able to use the AI, we can able to use the AI to create the design. And but over in this scenario, human intelligences are human ideology and human ideas are needed. So that's why in this scenario, if I'm the beginner in the UI UX and I'm just starting out and I am living in a 2025 learner, if I try to learn the things without AI, so I definitely going to be get replaced. This is the harsh reality we need to be understand. But if but if what I'm trying to say you, am I audible, right? Oh my goodness, my screen was closed and I didn't aware about that. So yeah, what I was talking about, I am telling that if I think that I'm starting the UI UX and there is the many comment in this live session that there was someone who told that the AI UI UX job is in the danger. Yeah, exactly. In this scenario, you are correct. If I'm the beginner and if I think that I will build a design, every ideology will be mine. So in this scenario, I am definitely going to replace because I know there is the thousands of the AI, there is thousands of the tools are going to make the design for me. So why should I waste my time just for thinking about there are the many of the games are available which we can able to play and learn the UI and UX in the fun way instead of making boring notes, so there are the many crazy games that we can able to use it and learn the tools very easily. Just we need to open our cell phone and start playing the game in anywhere. We don't even need to open the laptop. If I'm the beginner and I don't have that much idea about the color system, so I can able to use this color.method.asc color.method.asc. So okay, if we, let me know in the comment section if you want to know about this all the stuff, so I can able to post it on the YouTube, so you can directly get it and you can able to search it and you can able to use it. This all the tools are exactly amazing, just like type.method.asc. It's help to write the this word waves in the proper arrangement form, and the tool is literally amazing. And just like that shape.method.ac, see one I can able to give the this alphabet a proper shape. Design will be mine, but I need to think about it. See if what exactly the UI UX is. If they want, if they don't want the changes and we are making, just like there is the Zomato profile page. Just imagine that. Maybe I can able to explain you in this way. Mm-hmm. No, no, no. Come on. Okay, 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 okay. Let me come on the notification. If they don't want the changes and I am making the changes by my own, so they're never going to select it. I need to follow the process properly. Just they told that we want this background color in white. So if I'm making this blue and I trying to add my with just they told me to don't change the background color, so I need to follow them. So this is how the scenario works, then only they're going to accept my project work. So this is so far I only came about this all the things about the UI UX, and it literally it's amazing if you're loving the giving the coloring design structure. So I think that definitely this is the best opportunity to explore. And if I talk about myself, so I literally love to give the design and all, just like I love to use this all the features more than coding. I love to do this all the stuff. And by the way, let me know in the comment section who else is interested in the UI UX designing. Please let me know in the comment section who else is interested in UI UX designing. Just like me, on 29 September I came to know about the UI UX career, and it's amazing to if you are the someone who loves to give the designing and all. So yeah, so far this is what about my interest and topic, and this is amazing. And by the way, one more question I have. Okay, let me know if you know any tools which is much better than Figma. As per my scenario, the Figma is the best one because currently I only know about the Figma. If you know any other tools, so please let me know in the comment section which any other tool which is beating the Figma right now. But I don't think so that Figma is on the top, because now I'm using it and there is many features. Figma is directly advanced. As a beginner, there are many things which I can't able to get it. Oh wow, this is how our cell phone keyboards work. There is the there is the different layers, right? For the emojis, for the typing the numbers, everything is different and amazing. There are so many things that we can able to learn it and and implement it. So yeah, for now, just I am going to give the half an hour more. Now I think that I'm audible to everyone, right? So yeah, so far just the UI UX is made me crazy, and I'm literally get more excited about it. And there are the many features, and there is I have one question. If you know any tools which is much better than Figma, so please let me know in the comment section, because now I'm using as a beginner. I only know the Figma. So if you know any other tool which is much better than Figma, or same as Figma. So please let me know in the comment section. And if you are the someone who love to give the design and also, please don't forget to use the Figma, and I think that why the UI UX more excite me, because you know what, while making the thumbnail, when I was making the thumbnail uh, for my YouTube channel, for the videos, so I was like that, which background color should I put, which image should I select, and I'm feeling like that god damn, I am I like I feel like that I can't able to stand out on the social media because my thumbnail quality is not good, and not so I was like that, making a good thumbnail is the different level of the job. You are making the cool thumbnail where people excite to click on it because of your thumbnail. Doesn't matter what you are explaining, what you are talking about. First click is going to be based on your thumbnail, and I feel like that due to this scenario, front ends play a big role. Definitely. That's why I think that the front end play a big role if you are if you are making. When when I was applying for just, okay, what is the question, what are the UI elements, this is the question I think that they asking on the in the interview. So it's important to know, by the way, what are the UI elements. Okay, what are the types of the UI element? Maybe this is also the best question, and having the large amount of the probability to get asked. What are the types of the UI? So yeah, what I talked about just is, what, making a good thumbnail which make the people feel like clickable is based on the designing and the experience. That's why before AI, the thumbnail is the scenario, there are the many experts who designing the thumbnail, but after AI, just all the social media, all the market just crashed. Now just you have to send your picture, and you want to share your ideology, and the AI will be generating the thumbnail for you. And this is what completely hit the people, like they are the good thumbnail designer, now but now anyone can make their thumbnail by their own, because I know that the big content creators don't have the time to edit their videos or make the thumbnails. So that's why they try to hire someone, and they design their thumbnails, edit their video, doing everything. My favorite YouTuber, Lingo Marina, she was, when she started the YouTube channel, she's supposed to be like handle every step by her own. But once he made the more than 84 lakh subscriber on the YouTube, and now her videos, even her short videos, hand, are, are handled by someone else, and there are the many assistants under her who is handling her own social media, even the Instagram post. And this is what, like, and now she was more excited about the AIs. She make the videos, and I always watch her Instagram post, and she make the videos on this AI have the ability to make your thumbnail, and now I am using this AI for the thumbnail, and I was like, oh my goodness, AI is generating the crazy amount of thumbnail with good animation support, and this is what making the people like more clickable. It doesn't matter what you are doing inside the video, but your thumbnail is playing the more role. And this is what happening when you are participating in the hackathons. Doesn't matter, scenario is different, whether your website or that app is properly working or not, login page is working or not, your database is properly connected or not, that is the different. But if your front end is amazing, it's pay the different role. So this is what I feel like, that the front end is definitely important as per my scenario. And then topic goes to the second step, is the back end. But first of all, the people are going to select the particular page based on the front end, based on the design. This is what I think, and it's definitely crazy, So it's important to give the proper amount of role to your front end as well as other stuff. And now my question is that types of UI element. So how many types of the UI elements? I literally interested to know that, because I am sure this all the questions they're going to ask in you know what, I am sure like this all the questions they're going to ask in the interview. So at the same time I am learning what is UI, what is UI, what is UX. So at the same time, if I make the notes and make my own notes and prepare for the interview based question level, so it will be a much better option. By the way, I think that more than performing the more than in attending the interview, what matters is that first of all get selected, and we only going to get selected if we have a crazy project idea, if you having the good project in your resume. So it will be increase the more it will be increase the more probability to get selected. So yeah, first maybe the best question is that types of UI element. Let me note it in my notepad so I can follow these notes for my future study. So question is types of UI. By the way, I have one question. If anybody is watching my live session right now, so I have a question. I know that backend play the most role, but uh, are you agree that the more than backend, first the people going to judge your website and that particular app based on your front end. If the front end is good, so I will feel like that, okay, let me click on this page, it's looking interesting, it's looking like they're more exploring. But if the front end is not good, and but yeah, I believe that someone once told me that doesn't matter. Nobody's talk about the front end. If you have made some project, and if the I made the login page, it's not looking that attractive, and someone login page is much attractive than mine, and I collected with some database. Someone is entering the email ID, the password, every system and the backend is working properly, and at the same time someone else has also, maybe I can tell that the someone opposite than my team and made the some same project, but their front end is good, but they can't able to connect their backend properly with the database, and it's not working properly. So your project will have a more probability to get selected, because it doesn't matter how your front end look, but the ideology that you can given, and the database and the backend, everything is working properly. So there is the more chance that your project gets selected. And this is more like, okay, yeah, exactly, it's correct that the more than front end, the database work is important, like backend work is important first of all. What's wrong? What happened? Okay, come on. I am literally very interested in iOS. I love the structures. The Apple give the premium and expensive structure, means the design is on a different level, and I love the iOS. It's just when I started using the Mac, I'm facing the very difficulties while using the third party apps and all, because it's never allow me as compared to when I'm using the PC. So every process go the properly. But when I use the Mac, and it's not allow me for use the third party apps and app and all the things. It's take a lot of time and the permission before. And also I think that in future I'm going to face the storage issue, because the OBS have a uh, having a OBS is kind of just covering the more storage area in the application. So I was like that in future I'm going to face the storage issue, because I am using I like my Mac storage is totally full with the documents and downloads, and I don't know which one should I delete, which one should I keep. Like there are many things, and its chances is high to face the storage issue if you are using the Mac, because you need to give some external storage if you are using your Mac for the editing, and gaming is completely impossible. Just it's much better if you don't think about the gaming if you are the Mac user. And as a girl, now I've seen that many girls are interested in the gaming nowadays. As a girl, I am I never played the game before. Escape, the Temple Run, and this all the games. Yeah. So it's the kids level game which I played. The Candy Crush, and this all the. It's not a game. It's just for the fun, for the just time pass. The exactly game I'm talking about, the Free Fire, and the games like what GTA and Fortnite. This all the games which I'm talking about. It's completely impossible in Mac. So that's why if you are the someone who play the games and all, so the Mac is not going to be work for you in this scenario. Now yeah, let's topic comes uh, to read this. What types of the UI element is there? So okay, first of all, yeah, what types of UI is there? Okay, spelling mistake is here. Input controller. Okay, input UI is all about UI element are the basic build of blocks and user interface like buttons, text and sliders, menu and icons and models. They let user interact with the website or apps. Okay, the UI is let user to interact with the website or the apps. And if we talk about the UX, so first, just as a beginner, I only want to know, first of all I want to know what exactly the UI is. UI element usually fall into the one of the following four categories: input element, output element, and input element, output element, and helper element. So UI is all about the um, so UI element are the basic build block of the user interface like button. They let user interact with the website or they let user interact with the users or the with a website or app. They let user interact with the website or apps. Why elements are the basic building block and they let user interact with the website or apps. Then UI elements are the basic building blocks of the user interface. They interact with the user. They interact. They let user interact with the website and app. They let user interact with a website and app. They let user interact with the website or app. They let user interact with the website or app. Sometimes I feel like the learning definition is literally important. It's not that I'm a kind of person who is just want to learn, but I want to learn the exact definitions. So yeah, I always try to give the answer in the proper manner, and sometimes it feel like that I am learning something and I completely forgotten if I don't understand the topic. So just at the same time I'm understanding what is the UI element is, and at the same time I'm making the notes of the definition. So what is the UI element are the basic building blocks of the user interface like button, text field and icons, menu, sliders. They let the user interact with the website and app. They let user interact with the websites and app. So UI elements are the basic building user interference, slider, icons and what? And text? No. Button, buttons, text field, slider, icons, menu models. So they let user interact with website and app. So UI is nothing but it's help us the user to interact with the website and app. So yeah, UI is all about the interactions, okay, and UX is all about the interference, I think. And I will going to first of all write the what is the big difference between UI and UX. I feel like that it's same as the front end and back end. Helper element navigational, okay. Many things to do, there are many different names making me a confusion, okay. Navigations are okay. There is the one website name is suggested by him. What is called? I completely forgotten about that. What was that? What was that? Yeah, next one. Material designing 3. Material designing 3. What is the helper menu? Maybe there is not, I didn't mention it in the notes. Helper and elements means navigationals are helper elements. Navigationals are helper elements. Okay. Okay, let me decrease the background voice so maybe I'm audible properly right now. And yeah, back to the topic. So yeah, what I came to know right now. Okay, wait. Mm-hmm. Yeah, now everything is fine. And yes, so this is navigational is my helper elements. Lementts. So the big question is that what what is the helper element? So menu, tabs, and slide bar. Okay, and pagination. Okay, navigation, menu, tab, slide bars. So in navigation is called helper element, and in navigation we having the option like menu, tabs, and slide bars. This all okay. And yeah, this is what it's important to understand. And almost I given my 2 hours for just making these notes and learning, making it first. So today what I did, I made my login page, I made my profile on the Figma, and I'm using it right now. It's visible to you, and just I came to know that how to open the particular thing. That just right now I it's visible to you, right? I'm opening the iOS page over here, and there I am checking the menu of these things, and I learned that how we can open it now. Just I haven't made any changes, any single changes right now, because currently just I'm learning the basic. Wait, we was talking about the helper elements. Navigation. No. Okay, this kind, okay, pagination. Now I came to know what exactly the meaning of pagination is. This is called the pagination. This is called breadcrumbs, and every different structure have their different naming. This is what I think that it's quite difficult to remember. Every different page is having their different naming. What's wrong? Maybe I face the internet issue right now. Mm-hmm. Yes, let me check. I'm looking here. What is the page controller? So every different structure having their own naming. So if I'm applying, working as a I'm, if I want to intern as a UI UX, so I must be need to also learn the different structures name. And I was like that. Okay, I need to learn this all the names. And you know what? Sometimes I don't know my classmates' names, so how I can learn and remember the structure's name. But I have to do anyhow. So this one is like called the pagination. Let me keep in my mind. And this is called breadcrumbs, and this is called accordions. Accordions. Breadcrumbs and pagination. Breadcrumbs, pagination. Single one, the single line is called pagination. And oh, why this is lagging? Okay. Why whenever I'm clicking on the page controller, why it's lagging? Let me check. Let me disconnect the keyboard, and my mouse is here now. What's wrong with this? Why nothing? It's not anything is not visible properly. What's wrong? What is wrong? What is wrong? Maybe yeah. Come on, got it. Okay. Now everything is properly. Okay, this just I can able to call this as a breadcrumb, and this is look like a pagination, and this is I can call accordions, pagination, and this is I can say that the breadcrumbs. Okay, so yeah, now I remembered everything, and now move to so like what is the UI? UI help the user to like, UI help the user to interface with website and app. The examples the UI is in UI there are the types of the UI like navigation information container media and input controller good one. Input controller just like buttons, yeah, checkbox, radio button, and drop downs. So input box, navigations, no navigations, input box, navigations, informational container, and media. So yeah, media, container, informations, navigations, media, container, informations, navigational. No. Informational, container, media, navigations, and what is this? Input controller. Okay, input controller, navigations, informations, media, user. No, container, not user. Container. Okay. So what are the types of UI element? Please let me know, Eva. So navigations. Okay, and navigations, media, information, informational, input controller, containers. Why I always forgot the container? Now one more time. I'm just testing myself. Media, containers, informational, navigation, and input controller. Done. Now okay. Next topic, what are the UI elements? Need to learn it. Okay, what are the UI elements? So okay, yeah. Where is my notepad? Yeah, okay. UI elements are the basic building block of the user interface like button, text fields, sliders, and menu icons and medias. They let user interact with the website or app. Okay. This sentence is literally important, I think. It's the blueprint of this entire answer. Because they let user interact with app or website. So yeah. For now. Okay, wait, there is the comment. Wait. Let me read it. I'm literally sorry if I haven't seen your comment, and now I've seen. Okay. Wait, it's not completely visible on the device which I'm using, so let me read this comment on my cell phone. Okay. Okay, yeah, there is the Devansh. Okay, I don't know, this video is in my recommendation. What are we doing here actually? Just curious. Okay, see, I'm the bachelor student, and currently I'm just preparing myself for just stand out somewhere. What exactly the meaning of that? To get a get a proper job, or to get selected in the dream company, right? So I'm just trying to improve my skills. Like I'm working very hard on my skills to to just I'm working on my skills. At the same time, I'm trying to improve my communications. And you already know that if you are learning some, you having a lot of good skills, but if you don't have the proper communications, so in this scenario we faced a lot of difficulties. So, and you know what, not in this scenario, because I can able to tell you that when I was attempt, my voice is too much loud. I can feel that. Let me decrease it. Yeah, now I think that it's fine. Yeah. By the way, let me know. Yeah. So yeah, back to the topic. So I know that we have, if you have a good skills and good grades, but not not a proper communication. So, and in this scenario, you're definitely going to fail a lot of difficulties. And so I think that the social media help a lot, and we are living in a 2025 where all the opportunities are freely available. This is what I always tell in my every video. Maybe if you are watching me, if you have ever seen my videos before, so I always say that we are living in a 2025. So it's completely nonsense to think that I belongs to the low tier college, so I don't have the ability to do the same as the tier 1 college students. You have just, but what you have to do is you know what, lot of research. You have to connect with the good people who help you, who support you, and this is what means a lot. You know what I believe. This is what I believe, that connecting with the good people through online, and if you have online connections, offline connections, so it would be literally amazing if you have a mentor, or if you are connected with the good seniors. So this is same as a blessing. But if you don't have this all this stuff, just like me, so you need to find the way. Just like you need to make your profile on the professional social media like the LinkedIn and all. There are the many platforms like LinkedIn. But why I always talk about the LinkedIn, because LinkedIn, which we everyone know about this, that is the different topic, which still active on the Instagram, but LinkedIn is literally very helpful. So yeah, okay, wait, there is a comment. In which, okay, in which year you are in? So yeah, currently I'm in a second year. My second year just started, and so yeah, currently I'm in a second year. I'm in a second year, and currently just I am doing the UI UX course. In future, like in January, I'm preparing for myself for I want to apply for the interview as a UI UX role, because I'm literally very um, excited to give the designing and all. So that's why I do. Okay, and many of you are thinking that the UI UX job is replaced by the AI. So you are wrong in this scenario. You know, UI UX AI is helping us to do our work very fastly. And if I still keep my mentality same as the 2019 2018, I said 2018 18, okay, maybe maybe my pronunciation is not good. So yeah, let's back to the topic right now. If I think that I want to learn the UI UX, and if I keep myself, if I don't keep myself updated, and I'm not aware about the UI, so I definitely going to replace, because someone else at the same age are using the AI, completing their work within a 30 minutes, which I am completing my work, which is taking the 3 days. So it's completely nonsense, and nobody going to take me, I'm sure. If I am the CEO of if I am the founder of the company, and I'm looking for some employees, so I need someone who do my job within a less time. So if I am thinking this only for my startup, so just think about it. The person who is owning the the Amazon, Facebook, Meta, this all the companies, they need the advanced engineer. You can able to understand that. So in this scenario, if you are the beginner, so it's completely easy to get replaced. And if you have the advanced level skills, and at the same time so keeping yourself updated with the new stuff, so nobody can ever to replace you. There are this many of in my connection, they are the professional levels. They are working as the software engineers, and some of them are working as the data science, working in profession is the working as a analytics. So you know what this suggested me, that many of this the age is 40, 46, 47, and they are working under the student whose age is 23, 24. And you know what, they're using the AI means they're completing the work as soon as possible. At the same time, their basic is also strong, and they are completely aware and excited to learn the new tools and new updated stuff. And you know what, they all are looking for the workshop boot camp based on the AI, so they can able to learn the tools which they can able to use to make the website and everything more familiar and faster, in very faster way. So okay, that's the comment. What cool, I'm also in the second year. Wow, sounds good. I'm literally very welcome that you are reached on over here. By the way, many of you are the new on this channel, so don't forget to support this girl. I need your support lot of, because I can't say that I'm working hard, but I can say that I am just trying my best to improve myself, to give my best, and share my journey, that I belongs to low tier college, and also I belongs to the non supportive background environment. So, and if I want to change myself, so I think, I believe that the social media have the ability to do all the impossible things possible. So that's why I need your support to give the little bit support and subscribe this channel. It's not the pressure, it's depend on you. If you like my content, so you can definitely able to do that. But it's just a reminder that uh, okay, for now it will be much better if we back to the topic. By the way, if you have any questions, you can able to ask me in the comment section. And yeah, many of you are, I can see that you are the bachelor students, right? So please let me know what is your stack, means what is your stack, or what my question is that what is your stack, what the cool stuff and the new tools you are learning right now. So it will be make me a more familiar to know about you. So please let me know in the comment section, okay? And now I'm back to my work. Okay, so yeah, what I'm doing is the learning something about UI elements, and yeah, with my lecture at the same time I'm also making the notes, because I think that this is the best way to make the notes during your lecture, so that you can able to prepare it anytime whenever you want. And yes, now at 1:30 a.m. anyhow I want to complete this all the topics, so then I will move for any other one. And almost done, okay. Pagination, breadcrumbs, and coordinator. Navigator called as a anchor element. And now we are aware about the pagination. And there is one more sentence which I know is maybe this various mistake. Or happen in the progress bar. So where is the icon? And progress bar. Media help us the images icon window and cursor. The progress bar appears. Let me write about the progress progress bar. It's also a kind of the UI elements which is in the UI elements, so I can able to note it down. It will be a good to revise, right? And yeah, there is many things that I learned today about the UI. Okay, helpful information. There is also tags, loader, notifications, where it's progress bar. Oh, there is the option. I already written progress bar is in the informational. Okay, and according navigating. These elements help the user interact with the navigators and for digital interface. So where is the option tag? There is a tab. I'm looking for tags. Group of containers. Okay. Group of container. Let me add this. Let me note it down because it's completely important to make the notes at the same time when we are doing our lecture. So yeah, group of group of containers is what exactly the main. There is the three. There is the three like VID. S and UI container. UI containers and sidebar and sidebars. Okay. UI container and sidebar. This is what called a group of containers. It will come in a group of containers topic, and this is different explanation. The elements user interact and navigate or digital navigate a digital interface and group of container sidebar. let me note it down somewhere because he was recommending some website for the app. Wait, developer dot apple dot com slash des and design slash human slash inter interface slash so what developer slash wait developer.apple.com slash design slash human slash interface slash guidelines. Let me visit this. Particle that it helps us to sign the get experience of the platform. Amazing. Next question is that what are the UI design principles? Let me see the short answer. Are what are the UI DISI oh my god design PRINCIPLS principles. What are the UI design principles? I need a answer. Short answer. Let's see. I'm looking for the short answer. I don't want to learn the brief because I already have a lot of stuff to learn. Okay, back to the UI design principles are the guidelines to create the effective user friendly interface. Key principles. Okay, let me copy this and need to note it down. What are the UI design principles? So yes, come down, writing what are the UI, DIS, original, and CIPLS. What are the UI design principles? Question mark, come and command you. Paste your answer. Got it. And back to the work. Now, yeah, I am here. So what are the UI design principles? In a digital design, UI design principles are the overreaching guidance and the designers rely on to create the design that rewards the delight user. Okay, in digital design, UI design principles are the overreaching guidance that designers rely on to create the designs that serve on a delight user. Okay. UI design principle that outreaching the guidance that designers rely on they create design and serve to the delight user. Got it. This is not that much difficult if you have if you're following the proper YouTube channel and having a good resource. So I don't think so that, and if you have someone like a good teacher or good mentor, so your roadmap, your path is completely clear and easy. But if you like, if it's completely important, by the way, I want to submit assignment tomorrow again. Okay, yeah, and more 10 minutes anyhow. Okay. Clarity, consistency, feedback, special, simplicity. So clarity, consistent feedback, and simplicity, accessibility, and user control. Clarity, consistency, feedback, simplicity, and accessibility, and user control. Clarity, consistency, feedback, simplicity, and accessibility, and user control. Clarity, consistency, feedback, simplicity, accessibility, and user control. First of all, I don't know what is the meaning of hierarchy. What is the meaning of hierarchy? Oh, I'm literally sorry that there is a lot of comment. I'm sorry that I missed it. Oh, literally sorry that I missed a lot of comment, and I don't know about that. My this image is this profile image is too much big, and I thought that my screen is visible to you, and okay, for now there is the question, what is going on. So yeah, currently I am doing the UI UX. Currently I'm learning the UI UX designing, and what is chat? Can I know what is going on? By the way, I literally sorry that for learning the UI UX, I'm just following the specific YouTube channel. So uh, that's why, and I am attending that lecture with the help of cell phone, because at the same time, see, current through my Mac, I'm running the OBS, and also using the Figma. So I thought that the for just I only want to watch the lecture, so that's why I'm using the cell phone for it. And so yeah, I only want to watch the lecture. So as you asked it that Are you watching a lecture? So yeah, exactly. I'm just currently I'm doing the UI UX and I'm following the YouTube channel for it. Uh, so that's why there is a one lecture video and it's 11-hour lecture. So I thought to cover at least 1 hour from from the lecture because I'm starting it from basic. And if yes, so why are you watching on the phone? Okay, because the device which I'm using for, like, I'm just live with the help of my Mac. So in my Mac I'm using the Figma, and I literally sorry that my screen is not visible to you, so that's why you're having a lot of questions. And and yeah, I was using the Figma on my Mac, so I thought to complete the lecture in my cell phone. And what's going on? So this is the live session where I am trying to improve my I'm trying to improve my skills. At the same time, I like to share my journey. That's why I'm live over here. And chat, I know what's going on. Okay, let me write it. Currently, I am learning UI. Currently, I'm learning UI UX design. Currently, I'm learning UI UX design. So yeah, I just text over here. Currently, I'm learning the UI UX designing as you asked it, and I was not aware about that. My screen is not visible to you, so that's why you have a lot of questions. Now it's everything is fine, and my screen is visible to everyone, like what I'm doing. And so yeah, currently I'm learning to how to use the Figma, and I know that there is the 10 minutes, 8 minutes videos are available on the YouTube, but okay, question is, are you interested in machine learning? So for now, just see, not completely. I respect the AI tools like AI ML. So means AI ML, there is the AI at the same time ML, like machine learning, right? So for currently, I'm focusing on the software. And if you asking me for the current scenario, just I want to spend my second year. In second year, just I want to complete the DSA and Java, and I want to do the internship as a UI UX designer. And so yeah, my aim is to complete the DSA with Java and learn this Swift, uh, and come do the internship, apply for the internship as a UI UX designer and UI UX designer. And fifth is that to apply in any open source. I know that the opportunities, the all the open source are going to start from the January, and now it's October, right? 1 October. So the 2025 2025 open source opportunities registrations are already closed during the April, yeah, Jan, Feb, April, yeah. So now the 2026 open source opportunities are going to start from the January. So we, in open source, there are the many of the opportunity where we get the chance to modify the UI UX. There are many of the project based on the UI UX. So that's why I thought, like, giving your 3 months for UI UX is the enough to learn it and be the make yourself advanced for this. So that's why I thought to I love the designing and all. So that's why I thought to learn the UI UX and in open source apply for the role which is based on the UI UX. So 3 months, I think that the 3 months is enough to uh, update the resume with the cool UI UX project. So I think that the 3 months is enough for the UI UX. And you already know that the doing the essay is a long term investment, you know. So I can't say that like I'm going to cover the DSA complete topic in the second year. Yeah, it's possible to complete the DSA because I have seen many of the YouTube videos where they say that they completed the DSA within the 6 months, and many of them showing that they cracked the Google interview within the 6 months, and I was like, are they really like cracking the any FANG companies interviews within the 6 months? You know what? Large amount of consistency required. And and by the way, yeah, what is the question is you're like, uh, are you interested in the machine learning? So for now, just I want to learn the, as I told that I want to complete the DSA with Java and Swift, and then I want to make a cool project based on the UI UX. So I accidentally I can't able to jump for like much for machine learning. So just for now, I'm not that much aware about that. So yeah, in future, if I found anything interesting where I can contribute myself, because as a AIML as a AIML student, if I contribute myself in any machine learning project, so I will definitely going to apply. Yeah, exactly, you are correct. Now these 6 month guys are someone who already had their hands on the coding. This is what you said. It's definitely, yeah, exactly, you are correct. Because their stacks, they already have this some good having a good stack, and then they just practiced some questions on the lead code. They did the revision, whatever the stack they have, and then they applied for the internship. So yeah, whatever you are said, it's definitely correct. Let me pin this. And that's what I see till now. Yeah, exactly, you are correct. Because I definitely don't believe, it's impossible. Many of the students are giving their 4 year, but sometimes I feel like that if you keep yourself consistent for just for 1 month, you can able to see the big difference. You can able to see the big difference. So giving 6 months for any particular goal, it's have the ability to achieve it. So I feel like that if I start from the scratch and okay, wait, like what I have seen, I worked too hard in a merge, and when I applied to the internship, they asked for the next year's. I just don't believe these student guys now. Yeah, exactly, you are correct. Sometimes, yeah, you know what, sometimes I confuse, should I do the Node.js, React.js, and then the Next.js? What is the difference? I was like, let it be. I want to be advanced in JavaScript. That's it. I know the JavaScript far very long. So first of all, I want to be advanced in the JavaScript. So once I learn the JavaScript properly, so then switching for the Next.js, and this all will be not that much difficult. By the way, let me know which year you are in right now. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, you told me that you are in the second year. Okay. Yeah, you told me you are in the second year. So yeah, this is amazing. Like you are in the second year and you are applying for the internship and all. It's looking like that you are interested same as me, same as like, yeah, yeah. I've seen your past text, so now I'm aware that you are in the second year. Sounds good, and this is amazing that you are giving your best. As compared to the students I know in the second year, it's amazing. So yeah, for now, without wasting my time, it's time to back to the work, and Oh my god, it's 1:33 a.m. I have I have a lot of assignment to write, Almost if tomorrow is the last day of my Java assignment submission, and I so let me complete this, uh, and then I move for the Swift, and then then what? Then assignment I have to submit the assignment. So for now, let me complete this UI UX topic and then move for the uh, Swift. In Swift, I'm thinking to do the function today, and after Swift, I will going to write the assignment. I don't want to write the assignment, but I have to write the assignment. Like, I don't want to write the assignment, but in specific reason, just I want to complete it just for the marks, and it's not making the sense. Like, sometimes I feel like that why I'm writing the assignment is all which not going to make a sense at the end. Okay, wait, bye. Yeah, by the way, if you have any questions, you can able to ask me, and whenever I see the chat, so I will definitely going to reply you on this point. Yes, by the way, for now, the informations I collected about the UI UX and today's just first day when I used the Figma and the experience was literally good that I I came to know the one thing that the Figma is the best tool. I thought there is many tools, yeah, for the UI UX, but I think that the as compared, uh, the Figma is on the top if you want to learn the UI UX, and I think that Figma is the best one. By the way, okay, let me see the comment section. I would love to connect on the LinkedIn. Can you post the link for that in the comment if it's okay? Yeah, sure. Yeah, wait. You can search my name on the LinkedIn. Maybe my name is visible, but wait. Let me paste my URL so it will be easy for you. But I sometimes when first time few months ago, just I was trying to paste the one LinkedIn. Sorry, one link on comment section. Someone asked me to see my sketching work, so I thought to share them my Instagram ID, and I was trying to paste that link on the YouTube comments. So there is no. Wait, let me try first. Let me try over here. Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. Then I pasted my LinkedIn link. So yeah, you can. So yeah, you can also connect with me over there on the LinkedIn. So yeah, this features is updated on the YouTube. I think that just few months ago I was trying to paste my Instagram link on someone else live session, and I was not able to paste it because there is some, maybe there is some restrictions, maybe there is restrictions for others can not able to put or paste the links. So yeah, by the way, for now just I am closing the session because I want to, my my device is almost going to discharge, so I want to put it on the charging. And for now just I am going to do the attend the DSC lecture. And yeah, I thought to attend the DSC lecture in the live session only, but it's look very boring. I'm doing the DSC lectures, and it's also boring for you. At the same time, it's also damaging my device. So I don't want to make this live session boring. So that's why I always keep my mic on and to make the proper interaction with all of you. So what I was telling that I want to put my Mac on charging, and also I want to do the DSC lecture. So that's why I thought to close the session right for now, and it will be take till 3 a.m. to complete then all the lectures. So I'm going to do at least 4 lecture today. So yes, and after the 3 a.m. I will be back live again, and then till 3 a.m. to 7 a.m. I will do some study, and then 7 it's time to get ready for the college. I don't know, I literally don't like to attend the college lecture. I don't like, because by the way, let me know in the comment section who love to attend the college lecture and love to connect with their classmates. Please, if you are the bachelor student, so please let me know in the comment section who love to attend the lecture, because I am completely opposite. If you are the someone who love to attend the lecture and who always who like to attend the lectures and make the communication with the classmates, so what about sleep? So after college, yeah, maybe at 3:30 is my leaving time, sometimes 4:30 due to the practicals. I don't know, I told you that this October, November, December I'm going to give my heart to learn every cool stuff to at least make myself eligible to stand out somewhere, because during my first year I faced a lot of rejection, because I thought that I want to apply everywhere, but I was not aware that okay, you are applying everywhere, it's good, but at least you need to prepare yourself for it. Why someone else is going to select me? At least I need to make myself eligible for it. I thought, okay, I'm in the first year and let me apply everywhere. And then I came to know there is something called resume is existing in this planet. So then I need to make the resume. And then I thought that how to make the resume. I saw the many of the YouTube lecture. Then I followed the Shraddha ma'am. You already know, she was amazing, famous YouTuber. So all of you know that. Then I made my resume and it was worst. It's looking like that any kid is written something. My resume is worst and I want to update it. I want to update my resume before 2026. Before 2026 start, like 1 January 2026, I want to update my resume. Anyhow, I just want to make it advanced with the good project, with good stack and everything. I have so many things to do and I'm literally very excited. But you know what? I I always I always lost my path, and the reason because of the college examination. When topic goes to our college study, our college subject, so I always think about straightforward about my skills. But when I start thinking about my academic years, so the path is completely changed in different way, and this is how the rejection start. I applied on open source in my first year. Then I came to know no, if I fail the examination, then I need to repeat that exam again, and I don't want to do that. I don't want to do the each any subject twice in a year. So that's why I thought anyhow just I want to clear the examination. So then I started doing study and I forgot about the open source. I forgot about the internship opportunities and all. And I was preparing for the chemistry, physics and BEEE, mechanics. I was doing this all subject. So yeah, for now, uh, okay, so for now, thank you very much for attending the session and giving your amazing time over here, giving your precious time, not amazing, giving your precious time over here. Thank you very much. For now, just I'm closing the session and I will start again at 3:30 a.m. and because I want to give 2 hours for the DSC lecture, and maybe you can think that at the same time I also able to on my session with DSC, but it's not possible. It's completely look boring. I'm using my Bluetooth for attending the session. It seems like that I'm ignoring you something kind of stuff. So that's why it's much better if I close the session and I will back again at 3 a.m. Then I will start the Swift, and at the same time I will also make the communication with. By the way, it's almost 2 a.m. right now, and please let me know what all of you doing. Like, what are you doing? Because maybe you all are making some cool stuff. That's why. Uh, okay, so for now, thanks for watching, and any one of you are the new on this channel, so thank you for showing me your support and what studying for tomorrow exam. Okay, tomorrow is your exam. All the best. My exam is going to start from 13 October, so I have a time. So I will start my study from 11 October. 11, 12, 2 days are enough. So yeah, my examination is going to start from the 13 October. By the way, all the best. Huh? I mean today. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, I can get you. By the way, all the best for your examination, and do your study instead of attending this live streaming, because I know uh, it's disturbing you. I can able to understand that. So just for now, focus on your study and give your best. All the best for your examination. Okay, and yeah, you are in the second year, so maybe it's your internal exam, right? Internal college examination, right? Okay then, for now, just it's time to say the bye, and thank you very much for uh, attending the session, and I will be back at 3:30 a.m.